So we call this a protractor. A protractor will have a point in the center. A point in the center. And it will also have numbers. Why do I have two sets of numbers? ليش عندي two sets of numbers? No. Okay. They are the same. But if I start from the left, so I will look at the 0, 10, 20, 30 اللي تحت. I will look at the bottom ones. تمام? But if I start from here, I will look at the top ones. You know why I have two sets? Clear? Yeah. Okay. طيب. Now what are the steps? Forget about this. This is an extra. Forget about this. This is my protractor. Now what are the steps to measuring any angle? الخطوة الأولى I have to place the center on the shared end point. الزاوية هي عبارة عن شو؟ عبارة عن ray مع ray تاني موصولين صح؟ They share one end point صح؟ So step number 1 is to put this on the end point, the shared end point. Where's my shared end point here?
Yep.
Yes. So what am I going to do? I'll put this here. Is it in the middle?
Yeah.
Yes. Now I can move it but it's still in the middle صح؟ طيب step number 2 اختار أنا من وين حبدأ؟ من هذا ولا من هذا؟ You choose. نسمي هذا A نسمي هذا B. Which one would you want to start from? A. Okay. إذا مين حستخدم اللي فوق الأرقام اللي فوق ولا الأرقام اللي تحت؟
الأرقام
اللي فوق لأن الزيرو. I will start from here. So شوفوا شو نعمل. Step number 1 حنحط النص على النقطة. بعدين I will try to put the zero على الخط. طيب what if الخط قصير شو نسوي؟ نحط المسطرة ونطول الخط. ونطول هذا الخط بعد. Clear؟ تمام. بعدين I will put this و I will start. أحط الصفر على الخط. وأبدأ. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 100. No, it is 170. 170 degrees. I have to put this because it will indicate that this is an angle. Okay, so let's do the second one. One effective strategy is to extend the lines. مش احنا حكينا السهم يعني forever? So this can go like this. And this can go like this, right?
Because if we cannot see the...
Yeah, it's easier to look at exactly. Step number 1, I will align this on the end point. Where's my end point? Here. So I'm going to align it here. بعدين I will put the 0 and let's look very closely. Let me zoom in. Okay. Look at this. Where is the number? Where is the angle? No. أيوة أنت غلطتي قرأتي اللي تحت مع إنه إحنا حكينا we will start from the bottom. من وين نبدأ من الصفر. Okay. From 0, is it 10 or less than 10? Less than 10, count. 0, okay.
9 or 9.
It's even, I think it's 8. I think it's 8. I think it's 8 degrees. So is it an acute angle? Obtuse? Or right?
Acute.
Good job. How about, let's zoom out. How about question 3? What will you do?
It's acute.
It is an acute angle, right? But what is the measurement of this angle?
40.
Let's see. Okay, I extended the lines. That's normal, right?
Yeah.
Then step number 1, you tell me, guys.
To place the
Like this? Like this?
in the middle.
Like this?
No.
Like this?
The end point.
It has to be بالضبط بالنص. And then what do I do? Like this?
No.
Like this?
No.
So I'm gonna put this 0 here, right? Where is this going?
42. 43.
Look carefully. I think it's 41, 42, 43, or 44. It might be both. I think
43 and a half.
let's take no, there's no half. Let's take 43. And it is an acute angle, right?
No, it's a 44. Yes, 44. So 44.
If you think it's 44, go ahead write 44. If you think it's 43, go ahead write 43. بالامتحان 44. Let me check. I think.
Yes, it's 44. Yes, 44, yeah.
It is actually between both. I cannot tell. But I remember from last year بتذكر الجواب كان 43. Yes.
43.
Let me try again. It is 43 to me. I think it is 43. If you want to write 44, if you believe it's correct, go ahead, do it. Let's do this one. Last one.
53.
مين حكى 53?
No.
Let's see if you are correct. Where did you start? من هون ولا من هون؟ لفيتيها صح؟ لازم تبدأي من هون. Okay, so I put the end point. I start with the 0.
73.
It is 10. It's very challenging, wallahi.
73.
73. Good job. Is it an obtuse, acute, or right? Right يعني 90 بس. ما في مزح. 90 وبس. Right. It is an acute angle. Yeah, as long as it's less than 90. Look, this is my protractor, right? This is 90. Anything less than 90 is acute. Anything more than 90 is obtuse.
Yeah, that's how I got there. That's cute.
In the previous set of questions, we were measuring the angle. But in those questions, we are going to draw the angle. So it's very easy. It's very easy. We just need to point. Where is the end point? لازم نرسم the end point. I will draw the end point for all the angles just to prepare them. بعدين I will draw a straight line خط مستقيم like this. Make it a little bit long. Let me move this point. Take this side. Okay, so this is step number 2. What is step number 1? Step number 1, to draw the end point. Step number 2, to draw a straight line. Now, step number 3, look carefully. نرجع للmeasuring angles. شو كنا نسوي؟ كنا نحط this center on the end point, right? Okay, let's do maybe 30. Let's start with question 6. So I'm gonna put it like this, and let me show you. I will put it like this. The 0 will be here. صح؟ وين الخط؟ Where is 30? يلا. 10, 20, 30. صح؟ I will draw a small line like this. وبعدين شو حنسوي? Who can tell me?
And then we draw an
Excellent. We connect.
arrow.
Yes, we draw it back. Ta-da! We have the angle. This is 30 degrees. What about 58? Who can tell me the steps? Help me out. What will I do? Let's do question number 5. What will I do? What's the first step?
Use the protractor.
Okay, I'll use the protractor to place the center here. Now, where did I start from? 0. Maybe it's not so clear, so I'll make it longer. I'll extend the line a little bit like this. So, I have 0. وين حتكون 58? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 58. Something here. So let's connect it like this. So this is 58 degrees. I'll place it, and then I'll put the 0 on one side like this. Where will 95 be? Who can point on the protractor for me? Come to the board. Where's 95? Excellent. 95 is here. Yes. Is this an obtuse angle or acute or right? حكينا لو 1 degree أكثر من 90 يعني obtuse. Right? 104. This is interesting. حتكون كتير مفتوحة كبيرة. 100. لا مش كتير. 104. I thought 140. Like this. Is this an obtuse angle, acute or right? Obtuse also. هذا عم يغلط غيرك على فكرة. كلهم عم يجيبوها صح. Why? Listen, think. Right يعني مستقيم. Obtuse كبير. Acute صغير. Okay? Now, this is the most important question. Those two are the most important questions لأنه ما أتوقع بالامتحان you will not be asked to draw على فكرة and you will not be asked to measure. حيحطوا لكم رسمة نفس هذه مثلا. They will ask you what is the angle. Okay? So, question number 9. Alex drew an obtuse angle. Which of the following could be its measure? مطر.
127.
Only?
Yeah.
Yes, only. Excellent job. 127 only.
Error analysis. Erica states that the angle shown has a measure of 28. How do you respond to it?
Okay. She says it has a measure of 28. Look here. Yes, this is on 28. But is this 28?
No.
No, go ahead. Respond to Erica.
No, because she did start from 0.
Excellent. No, because the protractor did not start or the... Remember we had this in one of the questions that we solved together? Yeah. No. The ray is not lined up with 0 degrees. So her answer is not correct. How about question 11? Who wants to try? I'm not going to do question 11 to be honest. Let's do question 14. Who wants to try? Go ahead, Latifa. Yalla. I want to do 14. Come on.
An acute angle. Which of the following could be
Its measure.
its measure?
We said an acute, right? And what did we say? Acute is less than 90 or equal to 90 or more than 90? Less than 90.
43.
Is A the correct answer?
No.
Is 43 the correct answer? Yes. Is C a correct answer? Is D a correct answer? Okay. Clear?